Hello there, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Zen philosophy and exploring how embracing the concept of an empty mind can truly transform your life. Get ready for a journey of self-discovery and inner peace as we uncover the 7 secrets that can revolutionize the way you perceive the world around you. Imagine your mind as a vast canvas, ready to be painted with thoughts, emotions, and experiences. But what happens when we clear this canvas? That's where Zen philosophy comes in. Embracing emptiness doesn't mean absence, it's about creating space for clarity and insight. Secret discovery number 1, embracing impermanence. In Zen teachings, everything is impermanent: our thoughts, feelings, even the world around us. By understanding this impermanence, we can let go of attachments and find peace in the present moment. Secret discovery number 2, the power of now. Zen emphasizes the importance of being fully present. An empty mind allows us to truly experience each moment, appreciating the beauty and wonder that exists in the here and now. Secret discovery number 3, letting go of labels. We often label things as good or bad, creating unnecessary judgments. Zen teaches us to see things as they are, without attaching value judgments. An empty mind frees us from the constraints of labels. Secret discovery number 4, the wisdom of silence. In the stillness of an empty mind, we find the space to listen to ourselves and the world around us. Silence cultivates mindfulness and opens us to insights that words may never convey. Secret discovery number 5, finding unity. Zen philosophy recognizes the interconnectedness of all things. An empty mind helps us break down the illusion of separation and allows us to see the threads that connect us to every living being and the universe itself. Secret discovery number 6, cultivating gratitude. When our minds are empty of worries and clutter, we can truly appreciate the simple joys of life. Gratitude becomes a natural state of being, enriching our lives in profound ways. Secret discovery number 7, the journey within. Perhaps the most profound secret of all. Embracing an empty mind is not just a technique, it's a lifelong journey of self-discovery. It's about exploring the depths of your own consciousness and understanding the true nature of existence. As we conclude this journey through the secrets of how an empty mind can change your life, remember that these discoveries aren't just concepts. They are invitations to transform your perspective, to find tranquility amidst chaos, and to live with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me today. Wishing you a life filled with peace, presence, and the wisdom of emptiness. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow seekers, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay mindful and embrace the beauty of an empty mind. Take care.